Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add page number in Google Sheets document. So let's start it. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show add page number. Now going to the file menu option. Now for click. Then click for a print option. Now click for a Now scroll your mouse. Now click for header and footer option. Now for click. Then scroll your mouse. Now click for page number. Then click edit custom files. Now firstly content area. Now first content area. Now click for page number. Page number 1. Page number B and click for page number C. And click here page number 1. Now click for confirm option. Now click for next. That's it. Then we show add page number in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.